Here we go. I had a client come in and said, do whatever you want. I want something different that you don't see every day with his guitar. And what we wound up doing is created a pour method to make this kind of effect. Now it's a lot different than the dipping in borax with the colors floating in water. This is actually done by the pour method. You're probably seeing a lot of that with people that do canvas work and that. And this came out just about the same. The only thing is, it's flat. Let's turn it over to the other side. Here, I mean, it's awesome. We did it with metallics, pearls, and you can see that coming through in spots here and there. So, it looks awesome.